So, who'll go home with the points here today?
Well, I've just been handed the team sheets. Let's see how they'll line up. And the home team have been announced. And the away team have gone with this lineup.
So we're off. Which way will this game go? Well intercepted. The defenders back on the ball. Moving down the flanks here. Benzema. The defender then back on the ball. This player...
And it's opened up here.
Benzema!
Oh, it's in. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good.
Let's see a replay of that crucial goal.
And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway.
Passed out wide then. He's got the ball at his feet. Benzema.
Oh, he did really well there.
And with the defender now. Great ball. That's nicely played. Oh, well timed.
Lovely passing here.
Oh, determined challenge there. Oh, well timed. Quality defending there. Oh, determined challenge there. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. Can he finish it?
And Koke! That was a real chance. They're unlucky not to score.
It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. Launched upfield by the keeper. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. It's with the defender now. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work.
Stuck in their teams, chasing the notion that's in between. The feeling you get when you're hypnotized, and the feeling you get looking in snake eyes. It's not what you want, that's the way that it seems. Turning up while you turn up your teams. It's harder to see when you improvise, and it's harder to run when you feel tongue-tied. But it's the know that helps you let go and feel alright for days.
They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. It's time for the second half of this league match. Lukaku. And with the defender now. It's with the defender now. He loves to go past players with the ball. The defender regains possession. And now they'll try and break. He's found an opening.
Oh, he did really well there.
Sends it long. Played in field. Benzema. Oh, he must score. He showed a bit too much to the opposition. He's found an opening. Benzema. That chance has gone. He should be hitting the target. Let's take another look at that.
Referee very much in control of this game and he hasn't had to show a card.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. The defender then back on the ball.
Lovely passing here. Oh, he did really well there.
Defenders are looking.
He must score. And Koke. Well taken goal.
Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's see that one again.
So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game.
Good ball. Oh, determined challenge there. It's with the defender now.
Passed well.
Great patience here. Quality defending there.
This team really are controlling the game.
Lukaku. It's with the striker. Benzema. Great chance here. Shoots. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff.
Well, let's have a look at that one again. The referee gets the game back underway.
They're just looking to keep the ball. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Full time. Emphatic 3-0 victory, as the manager couldn't have asked for a better performance from his team. A real captain's performance today. Exactly what the manager wanted.